How to enroll a staff member. Select Resident Management. Press Insert. Now select Staff Member. Select unit number as 9,999, which does not exist. Now capture the staff member's name and details. And select the staff member number. Check the available numbers under Unit 9999 on the left. And now save the information. You can now capture their photograph, as well as enroll their fingerprint in the same way as any tenant. Please see the tenant enrollment video for details. Don't forget to also assign the staff member to devices the same way as tenants also, and to upload prints and data to the devices. For a full description of the process, see the video titled Enrolling Tenants.